Hello Bellas, welcome back. Happy New Year everyone. So this is Shannon B and you are watching Brown Girl Bella, where I bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. To all of my seasoned Bellas out there, as well as my baby Bellas, welcome back and a big happy new year to you. This is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to share a mini haul that I did, as well as my scout, my boyfriend Dwight, and just chat with all of my Bellas while I'm putting everything on. So sit back, relax, and let go. Okay, so my lips are feeling so dry. I don't know what is going on in this atmosphere these days, but my skin has been so dry lately. Bellas, if you are also feeling very dry lately, hit me up in the comment section below. I really think that even people who are oily are probably experiencing a little dryness in the air. Heat being on, and it's just sucking all of the moisture that's in the air, and it's making my skin go nuts. So if you're having that problem too, hit me up in the comment section below and let me know, because I'm feeling for you these days. So I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrows, and I don't know if you Bellas can see it, but right here I got another burn from waxing. So I have now given up going to those small Asian shops to get my eyebrows waxed, because this is the second time, 2 different places, that I've gone in to save some bucks. You know, I'm a bargain Bella just like my other bargain Bellas out there, and I went in to get an $8 waxing, just clean up stuff. It wasn't really that arduous, so I thought. And as soon as she put the wax on my face, I said, oh my God, she burnt me. I'm burnt again in the same spot. And so what happened was it scabbed for a couple of days, so I didn't even want to wear makeup. I was so upset, not just with her, but with myself, because I knew better. Trying to save a buck. Sometimes it's worth that extra coin to just go in to a place that's a little bit more reputable, that, you know, takes a little bit more care, especially when it's on your face, and get it done the correct way. But again, hard head, I went in and now I have another burn. Same exact spot. So now that it's healing, I can really see the scar mark on my face. So I'm just really upset with myself. Hopefully I can go to a dermatologist and they can tell me if anything can be done. Maybe I need plastic surgery at this point, because it's 2 burns, and the first burn never even healed up. It just scarred. So I don't know if there's anything other than help from a plastic surgeon that can be done right now. The first thing that I got from Scout is a mini Precisely My Brow from Benefit. And as you all know, I love my Benefit. I usually get the number 5, but they didn't have the number 5, so I got the number 6, which this is, which is a soft black color. So I am hoping it's not too black. It doesn't look to be too black. Looks to be okay. So far, so good. But I did want to show you the number 6 in case your brows are like mine. You want to try a little darker color. Like I said, I usually use the 5, but for some reason they didn't have the 5. And I really needed a pencil. Since I got my brows done, I like to use a pencil when they're freshly done. Although now with the burn mark, I'm just beside myself right now. I really can't believe I did that to myself. Nobody to blame but me. Push that in. You see, I'm starting to wear my earrings. I said new year, I'm gonna try and put my earrings on as much as possible so that I can give them some shine and some love. Because like honestly, I have so a lot of dust go in the air with this powder. I have so many beautiful earrings like these, like costume earrings, and I don't put them on. I'm like, oh my goodness, why am I not putting them on? It's that I don't put them on for the camera. Once I'm heading outside, I usually put on my earrings before I leave the house. Now I just have to remember to put them on before I film. So you see this lovely little dish right here? I got this dish from Sephora. Oh, it's a little dusty. I got this dish from Sephora. It says First Beauty. And now I'm using this dish to put my earrings in. So before I sit down here to film with my lovely Bellas, I go to my dish and I pull out my pair of earrings and I put them on, and then I sit down. I'm gonna try and keep all of my boxes of things that I got during the year so that at the end of the year I can sort of give you more of a comprehensive what things are moving with me to the new year and what things are gonna stay behind. So I am starting it with these two. Now I'll put some shadow on. And I'm probably gonna keep the shadow light. Oh, let me use this one. Probably gonna keep the shadow light and not put a whole lot on. But I will do something fun. Let's see. Oh, I think I'm gonna take Natasha Denona. This is the mini gold palette, and I'm going to use this all over. This is dark sepia. So I'm just gonna put this in the crease. I really do love Natasha Denona's shadows. They really move, and these new rougher brushes, which are also my favorite from 2019, they make such short work of laying down shadow. It's just amazing how wonderful these brushes move. And then I'm going to take a flat brush. This is another rougher. This is the 02. And I'm going to go into that green shiny color right here at the end. And I'm going to pop that onto the lid. And I'm going to throw some shimmer down here in the lower lash line. And then going back with that 01 brush, I'm going to go back into that first color, and I'm just going to take that right underneath to connect it all together. I will take a bullet brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that gold color in the center, which is Dior, and I'm just going to pop that right in the inner corner on both sides. Just add a little bit more spark. So now the eyes are finished. I'm going to do my mascara, primer, and then my Monsieur Big by Lancome. I also want to do those lash serums. I want to try it for a year and see if they grow my lashes by the end of the year. If any of my Bellas out there, if you use a lash serum, hit me up in the comment section and let me know which one you use. I want to do some research before the month is over to try and find one that will work for me. Open up my new NARS lip pencils, and I'm going to use Dragon Girl. To line my lips. And now I'm going to use my new lipstick that Scout bought me. Apropos, it's called Scout's Red. It's so creamy. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. I think this is my first YSL lipstick. I'm hooked. This is so creamy. Very nice. I'm just gonna warm up the rest of my face because I feel like I am a little bit pale. I'm in love with this bronzer. I got this in a Ipsy, I think, and I'm in love. Like, oh my god, it really is beautiful. And I'm surprised because bronzer from Ipsy and brown girls don't usually go together, but this by Lovecraft, I'll see if I can share with you again without blinding you. Here, we'll do this. These colors here are fantastic. I have not used the deeper one because I just think it would be too deep for me, but I've used this one, and sometimes I mix the two together. Today I just used the one in the middle, and I just feel like it instantly warmed up my face. So I like it. I really do like it. And it's called Suniva, the one that I used by Lovecraft Beauty. I think I'm going to continue on my Love Fest of NARS and use a little bit of my Orgasm blush. Same brush, I'm just using the very front tip of it. And I'm gonna say that's it. I don't need anything else. Let's take these clips out. So that is the completed look. I just wanted to jump on here and wish all my Bellas a happy new year once again, and also to give you a little sneak peek onto what I will be doing in the coming weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Also, if you're not subscribed to the Brown Girl Bella, please do. Don't forget, the link to this channel will be in the description box. All you have to do is click that link, and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload. Until next time, my Bellas, I will leave you with a video to catch you up on all things Brown Girl Bella. Until I see you back here next time. I usually say deuces around this time, but I think I'm gonna try something different today. Live, love, lash.